Do you want to know how you can log into your Flint AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Flint AI account. What you need to do first of all is open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Flint AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It's the official page of Flint AI for schools. You can see get started over here. Go ahead and click get started. The two options is book a demo and request a free trial. Go ahead and click book a demo, and what you need to do is fill in your login details, or you can select a time. So go ahead and select a time over here like this. Click next. Now write down your name, your email address, and please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. So go ahead and write down anything which will help them prepare for the meeting and then click schedule event. This way Flint will schedule an event and then you can buy Flint and then you can log into your account. So if you want to do this, go ahead and click book a demo, or if you want to request a free trial, go ahead and click request a free trial and fill out on your info. Go ahead and write down your school email, your first name, your last name, how did you hear about Flint, and then click request trial. This way you can request a trial and then you will be logged into Flint. I hope this video about how you can log into your Flint AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.